All right, so do you like to start a one-person e-com brand with Cloudy? If you think that launching a successful e-commerce brand means hiring developers, paying expensive providers, spending weeks building out backends, you're playing, let's say, for example, this is 2024. Nowadays, we can be using Cloudy to make this process much more faster. So, in order to continue, the first thing I'm going to be doing here. Is to have an actual deep review of the mining and the brand HQ project. So my step one is all about establishing your brain trust. We are in guessing what product to launch. We're going to find out exactly what customers want by exploding the public data, right? So you wanted to create an actual new workspace under the product features here directly inside Cloudy. And what you wanted to do is to go inside Cloudy and create a dedicated project name. For example, in my case, I do have a specific project. You can just name this marketing, or you can just generate a new project. Let's say, for example, brand HQ, for example. Next, pull a data export of your top competitors review from Amazon or TikTok Shop and drop the raw file directly into the project knowledge base. The project knowledge base is going to be really helpful for the application to understand how does the actual let's say the gameplay works. So if I open a new tab and let's say that here into Amazon I wanted to look out for some competitors, you can do it. So let's say, for example, here I'm gonna look out for my shop of the gaming, which is one of the actual niche of my brand, and I'm going to be selling some gaming monitors, right? So inside my gaming monitors, let's say, for example, that I chose this competitor. So inside this competitor, I look out for the CH store, and into the CH store, let's say, for example, that I copy this specific link and I paste it directly into this specific instructions where it says plus. Let's say, for example, this is my main competitor, and I save these specific instructions. You can just tell the Cloudy what is the goal that you want to be aiming for. This is the reason why you want to enter all the instructions, all the files as you can possibly can. So once you have dropped that information, prompt Cloudy to per se the data. You want to instruct it to find the recurring products failure and the exact vocabulary phrases buyers uses when they're excited. For example, here typing a prompt would be, for example, like analyze this review corpus and identify the top 3 product complaints, right? The exact vocabulary customers use to describe results, something like that. Right, and you wanted to enter here this information and look out for the element that says the zoned 4.6 and enable the adaptive thinking. It would be really important. Once you have successfully done this process, users going to be understanding what is the actual process of this specific brand and how it can be helping us to get started. So within seconds, Cloudy Access and Elite Data Analysis is going to be mapped out the entire angle of the market differentiations, build your ideal customer profiles, write your target brand voicings, guidelines. Is going to be saving the output directly as a persistent customer rule of the skills within your product workspace. Then the second thing that you can do with the AI is the agentic Shopify building using a cloud code, for example. Let's say, for example, you can initialize an actual coding directly inside here where it says code. Inside here, what you can do is to phase 2 is where things get wild. We can be telling to generate a website design, catalog setup. Using that element, you head over for the creating actual custom application. You can grab the API access token with the permissions from the product files and collections. This is only for Shopify creators. You can get a Shopify website totally for free for, I believe, 3 days, and then you can try out the next 3 months to paying only $1 per month. for the next 3 months. So once you have successfully, for example, have access directly into Shopify, what you can do is to create an actual application directly inside here where it says applications into the My Settings. Go for the developer applications. You build your app into the developer section, and you can start generating an actual application, so you can be telling the scopes to quickly create API credentials, right? But I'm gonna be not messing around inside here. We're gonna be messing more with the creation of the competition and, let's say, the branding. So, which is the mass catalog copywriting at scale. So that you have, for example, like a store infrastructure is live. Your store needs high converting copy. So what you need to do is to execute the bulk product detail application. We could be helping you to grab perfectly like with the market research. You can program your product workspace with a strict copywriter framework. So inside here, you can tell. I'm gonna head back directly from my projects. Let's go for the brand HQ. Here is my element strategically summary for your list. See the edge weakness, language to mirror into your copy. There's the standard rigid. Here's the complaints, which I think is going to be really, really great. So if I go back into my projects, I'm going to go for this one, and I'm going to start a new chat. Inside of my new chat, this is going to be a little bit more about my marketing. Inside my marketing, let's say, for example, help me get started with my brand, speaking about my niche, which is gaming screens, something like that. So name, fonts, colors, designs, all of it. And just like that, the actual Cloudy is going to be fetching from the link that we provide into the instructions to analyze what we can actually do or what we cannot do. So when you finish with this specific process, I believe that the final phase is setting up your passive retention engine. So you can have an e-commerce store without automated emails and text life cycles is a leaky budget. So you can ask Cloud to outline your core automated flows, your welcome series, banner card triggers, post purchases, winbacks, because Cloudy is working within the exact same product framework. It already introduced know your brand voice, the customer avatars, the common product objections, but this is only working for the paid version of the Cloudy. So you might want to take that in mind before you can ask to, let's say, link Cloud to Shopify, because you needed to create an actual app developer and all of that. And if you still wanted to use, for example, like the free version, you don't have to worry about that. It's going to be a little bit more manual stuff, but still the results are exactly almost the same as with the paid version, which is just needed to copy the actual information, needed to paste it directly into Shopify. It needed to understand how does the actual application work, what exactly is your main gaming plan here to get started, and basically you're actually good to go. So with that being said, we have now reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools about how we can actually get started with Claude AI. So this is how you run a modern e-commerce business as a single founder. You can use the AI not as a casual brainstorming assistant, but also not automated digital infrastructure for your entire company. And speaking about colors, fonts, and basically all of that, basically what you can focus on is into ChatGPT or Gemini to generate, for example, design stuff, and use the Cloud to be your main assistant. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.